Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini API. First, you'll need to understand its core capabilities, which include powerful text generation and multimodal understanding. Next, obtain your API key from the Google AI Studio to ensure secure access. Finally, set up your development environment by installing the necessary client libraries, allowing you to begin coding in just a few minutes. This foundational setup is crucial for any project. Now let's make your first API call. Begin by authenticating your requests using the API key you just obtained. This is a critical security step. Then, structure a basic text generation prompt, perhaps asking Gemini to write a short story or explain a concept. Finally, execute your first API call using your chosen programming language, observing the model's response. This initial interaction demonstrates the API's immediate power. Moving beyond the basics, let's explore advanced Gemini API features. You can implement multimodal input, combining text with images or audio for richer interactions. Learn to manage conversational turns effectively, maintaining context across multiple exchanges. Additionally, optimize model parameters like temperature and top P to fine-tune the output's creativity versus factual accuracy, achieving more precise results for your specific application. To ensure smooth development, follow these Gemini API best practices. Efficiently manage your API usage and monitor costs to stay within budget. Implement robust error handling and gracefully manage rate limits to prevent interruptions in your application's performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. By following these guidelines, you'll build reliable and scalable applications with the Gemini API, maximizing its potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.